Welcome to LynxPDF, your professional, secure, and efficient PDF solution made for modern teams. In this video, we'll show you how to use our batch processing feature to streamline your PDF workflow and boost productivity. Start by opening LynxPDF. On the home screen, you'll find the Batch tool. Click to get started. A pop-up window will appear, giving you access to all batch processing options in one place. On the left panel, you'll see the list of available batch features. On the right side, you'll find the Settings panel. This is where you can customize options based on the selected batch function. In the center, there is a file area where you can add documents as individual files or folders. Click this area, or use the Add Files button in the top left corner. You can also drag and drop files directly into this space. Once added, the files will appear in a list, and you can drag to reorder them. To remove files, click the trash icon in the top right to delete all at once, or select a single file, and then click the trash icon to remove just that one. Next, we'll walk you through how to use each batch tool in more detail. Let's start with Batch Convert. On the left toolbar, click Convert. On the right side of the window, choose the format you want to convert your PDFs into. LynxPDF supports a wide range of output types. Next, you'll see Layout settings. You can choose Keep Mixed Layout if you want to archive a page layout similar to Word, or retain page layout to preserve the original structure of your documents. Below that is OCR settings. If your PDFs contain scanned images or non-selectable text, check the Recognize Text option to enable OCR. Don't forget to select the primary language of your document. This helps ensure more accurate text recognition. Once your settings are in place, click Apply in the bottom right corner. You'll be asked to choose a destination folder for the output files. The conversion will begin immediately. When you see a green check mark in the status column, that means your files have been successfully converted. LynxPDF will automatically open the folder where the new files are saved. Now let's take a look at Batch OCR. This feature is very simple to use. All you need to do is choose the language of the text you want to recognize. LynxPDF supports over 70 languages, making it easy to handle multilingual documents. Once the language is selected, click Apply in the bottom right corner. Choose where to save the output files, and you're done. When you see the green check mark under Status and the output folder opens automatically, it means the OCR process is complete. Next, let's explore Batch Compress, perfect for reducing file sizes quickly and efficiently. The setup is simple. Just choose a compression mode that fits your needs. We recommend Standard for everyday use. It balances file size and quality. If you're optimizing for mobile viewing, choose Mobile. It ensures faster loading without compromising too much on clarity. You can also select Custom to fine-tune individual compression parameters based on your preferences. Once you've made your selection, click Apply, then choose your output location. When you see the green check mark here and the output folder pops up, the compression is complete. Now let's move on to Batch Encryption, a quick way to protect multiple files at once. You can set an open password to restrict access to the document. You can also set a permission password to control what others can do with the file, such as printing, copying, or editing. Please note, the open password and permission password cannot be exactly the same. Use the checkboxes to select the specific permissions you want to allow or restrict based on your needs. Once everything is set, click Apply and choose where to save the secured files. When you see the green check mark under Status and the output folder opens, the encryption process is complete. Next, let's look at how to add watermarks, backgrounds, headers and footers, or Bates numbers, all using customizable templates. If it's your first time using this feature, you'll notice the right-hand settings panel says No Templates. Just click the plus icon in the upper right to create a new one. For example, let's create a watermark template. You can type in your desired text, then adjust the font, color, size, transparency, and placement. You can also import a watermark directly from an existing file. Once created, your templates are saved, so you can reuse them anytime without starting from scratch. The same process applies to backgrounds, headers and footers, and Bates numbering, just with different content and layout settings. When your template is ready, click Apply, choose your save location, and let LynxPDF do the rest. A green checkmark under Status and an Auto-Opened folder mean the batch process is complete. Finally, let's take a look at Batch Remove. This feature allows you to quickly remove unwanted elements from multiple files at once, including watermarks, backgrounds, headers and footers, and Bates numbers. Simply check the items you want to remove in the Settings panel on the right. Then click Apply, select your output location, and LynxPDF will clean up your documents in seconds. That's it for batch processing. With LynxPDF, managing your documents doesn't have to be complicated, just smart and seamless. Try it out, and we'll see you in the next video.